Alright, so this is going to be a real short video actually, and essentially what I want to do is show you guys what happens with the Speedhut gauges when you turn them on. And obviously it's daylight out right now, and then I want to do another video or another clip to show you guys what they look like at night, because they are nothing short of impressive at night. So they're really cool. So I think just looking at them now during the day, they're going to be a little bit harder to see, especially the smaller gauges during the daylight, but the white pointer needles will always kind of give you an indication, and those are pretty easy to see. So when you turn the light on, when you turn the key on, that's what they do. So they go through their startup sequence. You can see I've got volts, I've got my fuel gauge coming up. I've confirmed the oil pressure gauge is working, and the only one that I haven't confirmed yet is the temperature, because we still aren't in a place where we've driven the Jeep long enough to make that needle move, but that's soon to come. So this is what they look like in the daytime, and now let's check them out at night. Alright, so it's dark out, and I'm in the garage, and I'm about to turn the light off here in just a second and show you guys what these gauges look like at night. Alright, so there they are going through their startup, and that's what they look like at night, and they look really cool. Very easy to see at night, and very clear. And I just think that red with the white needles, pointer needles, looks awesome. So the other thing they give you with the kit, and I installed this, but I'm going to tell you I'm going to leave it at the highest setting, is they give you a dial, so you can dial down the intensity of the light all the way down to that. So I like it all the way up, and I'm probably not going to hook up this dial to where I'm just going to tuck it up under the dash. Personal preference, just because I like them like they are, and I don't think that's too bright at all at night. Alright, so that was pretty cool, and I'm very pleased, very impressed with these Speedhut gauges, and at night the red looks great, and no regrets at all for the color combination that I picked out with these gauges, the red with the white pointers, or the white needles. It just looks awesome. Alright, like I said in the beginning of the video, this was going to be kind of quick, and I just wanted to show everybody the gauges and how they looked at, and you know, how they cycle on, and then how they look at night. So I'll follow up in the next, I don't know, a couple days to a week with a better Jeep update. I'm still not on the road yet, but I'm really close. So stay safe, and thanks for watching.